With a deep expertise in exploring the power of photography, the fascination of video, the innovation of AI, and the vast horizons offered by drones, I dream of achieving financial freedom before the age of 65 and starting a new life with an analog sensibility. With this economic freedom, I will dedicate my life as an activist, igniting sparks of warmth and hope everywhere in the world. Whether it's flying drones over the deserts of Africa to convey the preciousness of life through photo exhibitions of ancient waterways, giving children new eyes to see the world through video and photography in hidden villages in Asia, or creating a sustainable future through environmental projects that combine AI and drones in urban centers in South America, my passion is to bring positive change to the world with a rich analog sensibility built on an economic foundation and my unique skill set.